Hello, this is Mr. Bridgelo from Fujian Xinhong Mechan Electro Limited. Today I will be the person to introduce our dual station fully electric automatic heat press machines to you guys all. This machine was launched on 2020. It is 2 years ago, and with 2 years experience about marketing and testing, right now this model is warmly welcomed by all the distributors from the world. And Xinhong as a leader of the heat press machine in China and both in the world, we always keep ourselves in upgrading and improving. That is why in the sooner next January of 2023, we will have this model in generation 2 come to all of you guys. Hope you guys can follow with our channel so that we can keep our latest information informed by all of you. Okay, so let's come to the machine first. From the appearance, you will find that it was made by the silver body, and also for this blue control panel. This look very elegant. I think most of the people will love it, not only for the appearance but also for the design. Let's come to the structure. This is the twin stations. It can move from side to side. Compared to the pneumatic type, you will find it doesn't require an air compressor. So that when you use this machine, it will get less noisy and with even pressure, and also for the stable pressure. It is also widely used on the different kind of sublimation materials, including the papers, transfer paper like the injector, laser no cutting, or the laser. It is also available on this machine. Besides of this, the vinyls, the PET films also available on this machine. Okay. So another one is it is worthwhile to mention is that these alignments. This alignment looks very nice with a heads. It is very easy for our customers to locate the designs on the t-shirts. I think this is very good structures and good designs for all of our t-shirt makers. Okay, and besides of this, you can find this machine. It was put on the movable caddie. You can see this caddie is very easy to move. If the roller is unlocked, it is very easy for our users to carry it on another places, like to only like push it. So it is very easy. For this machine, another function is that this Platens is interchangeable. So you can use the different Platens to put on this machine to make different kind of the functions. For all the functions above I mentioned, I will show you in the following multiple videos. Hope you guys can follow up with me, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you guys can see how this machine works in the future. Okay.